Hi everyone and welcome back to my Career and Jobs YouTube channel. In this video, I would like to talk about tips to get the most out of the career fair. Now, let's talk about tips to get the most out of the career fair. Preparation prior to the event. The following points: prepare your resume and have it proofread by a friend for typos. Check the list of attending companies. Conduct research on the companies you're interested in and the positions available online. Prepare well thought out questions in advance for the employers that interest you. This will demonstrate your knowledge and capture their attention. Now, let's talk about items to bring to the event: pen and notepad, resumes, portfolio or clipboard, to store information and business cards, positive attitude. Now, let's talk about appropriate attire for the career fair. Arrive neatly dressed, maintaining a professional appearance throughout the event. Wear minimal jewelry and perfume/cologne. Refrain from chewing gum or having candy in your mouth. Ensure fresh breath to make a positive impression. Now, let's talk about guidelines for engaging during the event. Greet employers with a smile and introduce yourself confidently. Share your year of study, areas of interest, and career aspirations. Inquire about the employer's operations and potential opportunities for students in your field. Maintain strong eye contact and offer a firm handshake. If applicable, inquire about the next steps in the recruitment process. Express gratitude to employers for their time before departing. Please consider the following additional recommendations. Attend the event independently to maintain focus on your job search and establish a more impactful connection with potential employers. Demonstrate friendliness, warmth, self-assurance, and attentive listening. Spend adequate time to get your queries addressed and demonstrate your genuine interest, while respecting the employer's time. Aim to leave a positive and lasting impression through your interactions. Exercise patience if the recruiter is engaged with another student.